What's up, YouTube? The fifth and final sub finally came in. Got them all mounted. Everything is in. Now it's just a matter of tuning, which I'll do over the next couple of days. But it's in there. And see, that paint actually matched the factory pretty good. But yeah, gonna be doing some 6.5’s. We gonna see what they do. I'm not looking to beat down the block. All I want is just a good sound out of them, which I'm pretty sure I'll get because of all the reviews that I've seen about these things. But that is it. They are in. Looking fairly decent. Got another video coming pretty soon. Later.